How much money did this YouTube channel make this month? How much money did I make? How much money did you make? What's the progress? What's not the progress? What's been going on? Well, guys, every single month, if you don't know, we go over the progress for the YouTube channel, my progress as a person, and how's everything actually been going out, if it's going according to plan, or if it's not going according to plan, or if I just need to stop everything, okay? That's what we do here on this channel. It's called a shareholders meeting, because you are a viewer, a subscriber, and you comment all the time. Well, I tell you everything to be transparent with you so you guys know exactly what's going on with the channel. Now, on top of that, if you don't know me, my name is TommyBryson. I'm an accountant, and I post it on YouTube every single day. Yes, I say daily content, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, which again is every single day. Also, hit the like button while you're at it. Helps the channel grow a ton. And I want to ask you a question. Do you set your goals monthly, annually, or daily? Comment down below, because I do all three of those. Comment down below, let me know. Now, on top of that, I also want to explain, well, Tommy, how do you set up these goals? There's shareholder meeting every single month. What's the progress? What we're looking at here is just money, blah, blah, blah. Well, the answer is this. Every single month, I want to focus on 4 things: health, wealth, love, and happiness. Why? Because I want to make sure I'm healthy. I want to make sure I'm making money. I want to make sure I have good relationships with my friends, my family, my relationships, like all that fancy stuff. And I also want to make sure I'm actually happy doing it, because again, guys, I make videos on YouTube every single day for the past 200 days, and if I wasn't happy doing it, then why would I keep doing it? Okay, so I want to make sure I have a balance of these 4 pillars, which is health, wealth, love, and happiness. Comment down below and let me know, do you think it's a good idea, a bad idea, or do you think I should just focus on one thing, like, hey, just make all the money in the world and then just like worry about your health later when you're almost like dying from cancer? Comment down below, let me know, what do you think? Now, before I tell you all the money stuff, how much money I made, oh my gosh, I'm making so much money, all this fancy stuff, I want to tell you guys a brief background on myself in case you guys don't know me just yet, because we did gain a lot of new subscribers this month. So here's the thing, guys, right? My name is TommyBryson. I said that already, but when I was in college, or I was around like 4 years ago, I was making around $60 a week, okay? And I was broke. I had credit card debt, and on top of that, I had student loan debt. And I want to say this, guys, right? I still have all 3 of those things except the low salary. Now, here's the thing, guys. I make a lot of money a month, which is great, awesome. But I also have credit card debt, but it's all good debt because I take cash advances and then I use that money to actually invest into my business. But here's the thing, guys. My life changed in 2 occasions. When I started reading books and I started applying them, and when my dad passed away. Because when my dad passed away, I was working in corporate America and I had stopped making YouTube videos. It was like around like 2 years ago, okay? So when this happened, I said, you know, the last conversation I had with my dad went a little like this. I said, you know, Dad, I graduated with an accounting degree. Isn't that great? He told me, no, Tom, it's not great because you don't like doing that. I said, like, yeah, you're right, you know, but it makes a lot of money, right? He told me, that's great, but you're good with computers, you're good with your videos, why don't you just do that? And I told him, like, yeah, you know, I'll probably do it in the future, but I didn't really have plans on doing it, to be honest with you. And here's the thing. He told me he wanted to see me, but I didn't go to see him because I was working also, and I got a call while I was at home. He passed away, and then I had to go either way to see him. And from then on, I decided to only do what I want to do on a daily basis. So I make sure that whatever I do on a daily basis now is because I want to do it and because I really like doing it, okay? So that's what I do now, and that's how I got here to this point. Hopefully, by you watching this video, you don't have to go through any of that stuff that I went through. So that's why I make these videos every single month, so you can see my progress and how everything is going. So let's jump straight into the video, and the first thing we're going to talk about, guys, again, is health, wealth, love, and happiness, and that's the exact order. So the first thing is actually health. I started like very like fat, you know, and I was very like obese. I was like overweight, okay, I'll be honest. And here's my thing, guys, if you don't believe me, watch one of my first videos that I made on this channel. You'll see like me with like man tits and all that fancy stuff. That's what was on back then. And here's what happened, guys. I wanted to change, so I started going to the gym every single day, and since then, it's been around 200 days. You're probably wondering, well, what do you do, Tommy? Well, here's what it is, guys, right? I go to the gym every single day. I work out every single day. I also have a gym app. I also eat healthy, organic food every single day. And on top of that, I drink around a gallon of water every single day, which is great. You know, my health is great, and it's been peaking since I started this entire thing. Now, you're probably wondering, well, Tommy, how much does this cost you, okay? Because it sounds expensive to take care of your health, you know? Just work on your money. That's all that's important right now, right? No. It doesn't cost me that much money when I talk about my health, because my health, my life is all I have, you know? So if I lose it, I lose it. Like, what does anything matter? So here's how it works, guys. I spend money on the gym, $15 a month. I spend money on an app for the gym, $10 a month. And you're probably saying, well, Tommy, that's 25 bucks a month. And, you know, times 12, that's a whole bunch of money a year. Oh my gosh, you need to cut it. Just work out from home, okay? The answer is this. No. I don't want to, and I'm not going to, okay? People try to save so much money, like so much money here and there, you know, but by me going to the gym, it gives me a reason to wake up, go somewhere, work out. I get to meet people I wouldn't really meet people that are like-minded just like me, and people that work hard just like me. So to me, $15 a month to get all these tools and all that fancy stuff. Again, I don't want to work out from home just to save $15 a month. It doesn't make any sense, okay? So again, I rather go to the gym, work out from there, meet people over there, make connections and all that fancy stuff, then work from here and just like be bored to death, okay? I don't want to do that. Now, tell me, how much do you pay for this organic food you eat, okay? Because organic is just fake, okay? The antibiotics actually help you grow, okay? You don't know it? You don't know it? Well, here's my thing, guys. I pay around $60 every single week for 4 meals of organic food, and it's 2 servings, so I can eat this food like whenever I want to, but I cook it at home. It's all organic, and now for this month, I actually want to improve it to like 7 meals a week. So I want to make sure that everything I'm eating is actually 100% organic, and I'm actually taking care of my health to the fullest of my abilities. So that's what I do. So in reality, when you do the math, I'm spending like what, like $220. What is it, like $240 on food every single month, and I'm also spending around like $25 on my gym stuff. So that's like around $265, which is like no big deal if you ask me. I think I might be wrong when I did that math there, but it doesn't really matter. Here's the thing, guys. Your health is the most important part of your life. If you're not taking care of your health, then you're not taking care of anything. Because again, people try to save money on this stuff, but eventually it comes back to bite them in the butt, okay? So right now, you might be making money. You might say like, hey, I'll just save the gym for later. But eventually, it will catch up onto you, and then you'll have like a very high insurance and stuff like that. But I just rather work out every single day now like I do. Plus, I look great, and I like looking great. So if you want to do the same, go ahead and do it. And this is my entire plan, so you can do the same thing. Oh, and there's one last thing. I actually want to improve on one little detail. I buy snacks all the time, okay? So every now and then, an ice cream makes its way to my fridge, okay? I want to stop that. I just want to have like healthy snacks all around my house, so that way I'm not tempted to go out there and just buy me a Haagen-Dazs like ice cream for like $5, okay? I don't want to do that anymore, okay? So that's something I actually want to change, because 1, it's not healthy, and then 2, it's not good for me, and 3, it's like a waste of money. So I actually want to change that. It's like $5 a month or like $10 a month, no big deal there, but I still want to change it because it's not good for me in the long term. So yeah, there's that. Now the second part is actually wealth. Well, Tommy, how much money have you been able to make? How has it been going? And the answer is this, guys. I'm gonna break it down like this. First is views, then subscribers, and then also like money. How much money have I actually made? And I want to break down everything here, right? But the first thing I want to talk about, guys, is this, right? I'm very happy to be making YouTube videos and actually be making some type of money in some way, because if you guys don't know anything, I've been making YouTube videos for around like 4 years, and only recently, around like 4 months, I've actually started making some money, right? So imagine this: 4 years of work, 4 months of pay. The math doesn't really add up, right? So the answer is this: whatever you try to do, make sure you like it to actually last as long, to make sure you can actually make $1 from it, okay? Because I'm very happy right now because I'm making money, yes, but the money is great, you know, but that's not really why I did it in the first place, okay? So there's that. So here we go, guys, and here's all the data. Last month, we had around 1,500 subscribers that we actually increased to. Well, this month, we actually had around 3,100 subscribers, meaning we actually increased like by double the subscribers, okay, which is great. Now, for next month, I actually want to increase the subscribers to around like 4,650 subscribers, which is around 150 subscribers every single day. Tommy, what does this mean, okay? Well, the goal for the end of the year is around 50,000 subscribers, so that's why I keep track of this stuff, because I want to make sure we're on track to meet that 50K subs at the end of the year. Again, guys, my goal here is to make quality videos, but if quality videos aren't being seen, people are not subscribing, then this has something to say about your content. It might not be good. The more we grow, the more I see that my content is actually progressing. So that's how I keep track of everything, through money, through views, through like subscribers. All those things are tools to actually see exactly how you're actually progressing. If you're making videos from your living room and you're making videos and nobody's watching your videos, like, it might be a sign that you're doing something wrong. So I take these analytics very seriously. Now, when it comes to views, we did around 87,000 views last month, which is great. I didn't even think we could actually reach that, but the prediction was to actually hit around 131K this month, and we actually hit around 170K this month, which is great. Now, for next month, we want to hit around 255,000 views. Now, Tommy, why do you want so much views, okay? Because the more people that watch these videos, the more people learn. I don't know if you know this, but my videos always have something of value in them. So the more people actually watch these videos, the more they actually, because again, guys, okay, when I was growing up, when I was in college, when I was in high school, when I was like in elementary school, no one taught me any of this stuff. Now, if you don't know this, some of my videos are targeted for kids, okay? So every now and then I get kids commenting and saying like, hey Tommy, well, how do I budget? How do I do this? You know, so I'm very happy to be able to make content that's just not for us, you know, like older guys or whatever, but actually also for like younger kids that actually help them like while they're still young. So my entire goal here is to spread more value. Now, here goes, guys. How much money have you made, Tommy? Because this sounds like a lot of money, okay? You're making a ton of money. Well, the answer is this. As the goal is to hit around $10,000 every single month. And we hit that a long time ago, but it's not like net yet. You know, net is like after like the gross and like all that fancy stuff. Well, it's not net yet, but net, we're almost there. And you know, we did around 1987 like last month on YouTube. That's like dollar signs, okay? We did like $1,900 like last month, which is great. My business did around like $5,200, which is great also. That's my personal business. But this month we did around $3,500 on YouTube. My income for my business kind of like stayed the same at like $1,300 a week, which is great also. But we're almost there to $10,000 a month. Now, if you want all the details to all these numbers and like blah 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 and blah blah blah, well, just check the description down below. I have all the details down there, which is great. And for next month, I actually want to make around $5,338 from YouTube on a monthly basis. It was a lot of money if you ask me, but I think we can do it. It's like a 50% increase, which is great. Not that really like unrealistic. But here's my thing, guys. I actually want to talk about some of the failures we had on the channel because we did fail in a lot of ways. And here we go, guys. And I'll be honest, I wanted to collab with around 3 people and we couldn't really like make it happen. And it's not because they didn't want to, but it's because I was just doing like daily content and stuff like that. Well, that's an excuse. I just want to make it happen, but I didn't know how to make it happen just yet. So I'm still working on like working with other people, which is great, and like doing collabs. But right now, I'm just trying to figure out exactly how to do it and how to give you guys the most value out of it. Now, we did want to make a Discord for like last month. We did that, and now we have like almost 100 people there. Once that's filled, like the Discord, like you should like go over there like right now and like join the Discord, because once it's filled, like it's not gonna be open again until 2020. So we still can. Now, on top of that, guys, when it comes to education, I wanted to read around 4 books every single month. I did that, which is great. And I also wanted to take 2 courses on ads. I didn't do that, okay? I need to start doing that again and again and again, okay? So I want to make sure I'm taking courses every single month to increase my knowledge on advertising and how everything works out there. So there's that. Not everything went great here, but I do want to say this, guys. I'm very happy about how the YouTube channel is actually going, how everything is actually progressing. And I think we are on pace to actually hit like 50K subs by the end of the year. Hopefully we get there. And yeah, man, again, it's all about spreading more value. And I strongly believe that if you make like good content, you make like valuable content, people will come to the channel, subscribe, you know, hit the like button, all that fancy stuff. And then that way, you know, it keeps progressing and progressing, okay? But it's all about like the value. No value, no money, no nothing, okay? And that's how it works. Value, value, value first, and then everything comes second. Now, the third pillar is actually love. Well, Tommy, how's your love life? How's your family? How's everything going over there? And the answer is this. It's been going great, you know. Me and my family, we're good. They're on vacation right now. And I do want to tell you something, guys, because I will be going on vacation soon. But Tommy, you post every video every single day. Yes, I am. And I will be posting while I'm on vacation too. So not really like a vacation, it's kind of like a workcation. But I do want to go visit my family over the summer. Well, yeah, over the summer, and actually see them and see what everything is going on over there, okay? Because I do miss my family a ton. And I say here, guys, family is everything, and I want to make sure I visit them every single year, okay? So here's my thing, guys. My girlfriend and I are great. We're working towards a common goal, which is like to buy some real estate. But I do want to say this, guys. Someone said in the comments down below, hey, Tommy, I noticed you go on dates. You spend like $60 a week. How about you like stop dating your girlfriend and you start saving some more money, okay? And I said this, like I was like, okay. I don't think I responded. Yeah, I did respond because I responded to all the comments, and I said, you know, before I met my girlfriend, I was making $60 a month. I mean, a week. And after that, I'm making like almost $10,000, right? Now, here's my thing, guys. Having a relationship, someone you care about, someone that's there next to you, that's almost like, you know, you can't put a price on that. You know, so that's great. So in reality, here's my thing. If you're trying to save money by not being in a relationship, it just shows the type of person you are. And personally, I don't even think a girl would be interested in you or a guy would be interested in you if you like trying to save money by not being in a relationship. Again, it's all about the quality of the relationship. Because I know some people out there that say, you know, Tommy, I was dating this girl, she just wanted to go on dates and all this. I get that, okay? But it's all about the quality. So for example, if you find the right girl, she would help you, you know. If you find the right guy also, they will help you also and improve every single day. And that's the main thing, you know. But if you find a girl that's a gold digger or a guy that's a gold digger just wants your money, then that's something different, okay? Like definitely break up with them. But for my girlfriend and I, like it's been 3 years. Like I think like almost like 4 years now. And here's my thing. She's been with me when I was like dirt broke. Like now, And it's still the same thing, okay? Because my life doesn't change. I don't even touch the YouTube money, okay? I don't touch it at all. I just put it in a savings account, okay? Because it doesn't exist to me. So in reality, me and my girlfriend, we're fine. I love her, and there's no way I'm gonna like break up with my girlfriend to save like an extra $6 a week. It doesn't make an ounce of sense. Now, the last pillar, which is happiness. Well, Tommy, are you happy making videos every single day, going to the gym, like your family, so much stress going on with you? No, I'm happy, man. Like, I'm very happy because every single day when I wake up, I look at this wall and I say, like, I'm working towards what I want, you know? And I'm trying to improve my life every single day, which is, like, really important to me. On top of that, guys, listen, I said this before, right? And here's the thing, guys. I want to make a ton of money so I can make a charity that's self-sufficient, to make sure that people like my dad that passed away because they're gonna get like the optimal health. Well, I want to make sure that everyone out there has the ability to actually get like health insurance in third world countries. So my entire purpose in this like life that's like so short or very long if you use it correctly, well, my entire purpose is to create something that can help more people. So that's why I'm so obsessed with making money. That's why I'm so obsessed with my time. That's why I'm so obsessed with spending so much time with my family. That's why I'm so obsessed over all these things. And that's actually why I'm so obsessed with making videos every single day. Because I know every single day when I make one of these videos, it could be the video that sparks something in you that to make that change and actually go after financial freedom. Because if it wasn't for one teacher in my college, I would never be here right now. If it wasn't for one book I read, I would never be here right now. If it wasn't for one family member, I would never be here right now. So usually in life, all it really takes is like one thing, just one thing to change everything else around you to make you reach the goals you want to reach. Guys, as always, if you guys don't know me, my name's TommyBryson. I said it like 4 times now. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, go ahead and like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. And again, I want to ask you a question, right? What are your goals for this week? What are your goals for next month? Did you reach them? Did you not reach them? Comment down below. Let me know. And then that way I'll tell you like, hey, that's a great goal, but that should be a daily goal, not a monthly or annual goal. Comment down below. Let me know. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, uno, just DM me on Instagram. If you want to talk to all of us, join Discord again. And I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace. You've got to start at the bottom if you're ever gonna reach the top. You've got to watch all the seeds you sow.